Are you looking for the best electronic digital calipers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electronic digital calipers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, GLOWGEEK Electronic Digital Caliper. Getting an electronic digital caliper can be an arduous task, and that's why GLOWGEEK has decided to bring you this intelligently crafted electronic digital caliper. It is easy to use and delivers accurate results within a cinch. People who are after ultimate accuracy go for the GLOWGEEK Electronic Digital Caliper. At number 4, Aickar Electronic Digital Caliper. The Aickar Electronic Digital Caliper allows you to convert between fractions, millimeters, and inches with a touch of a button. Ideally, it features a display that can be zeroed at any point to make work easier. It's also designed to give you flawless quality without much fuss. At number 3, iGaging IP54 Electronic Digital Caliper. iGaging is notable across the globe, thanks to its ability to produce top-quality electronic digital calipers. Well, one of their calipers is the IP54 Electronic Digital Caliper, which is innovatively designed. Plus it comes equipped with everything to make sure you are not inconvenienced at all. At number 2, Mitutoyo 500-19630 Absolute Scale Digital Caliper. If you are this guy who doesn't tolerate inaccuracies, the Mitutoyo 500-19630 Absolute Scale Digital Caliper is for you. It has a measuring range of 0 to 6, and increments of 0.0005, to ensure ultimate precision. Mitutoyo's products have never disappointed, therefore, do not expect this digital caliper to be an underperformer. At number 1, Neiko 01407A Electronic Digital Caliper. Make sure you are accurate down to the last decimal with the Neiko 01407A Electronic Digital Caliper. It is an innovative caliper designed to help you get exact measurements without breaking a sweat. Remember, accurate measurement makes no sense if you are unable to read it accurately. And that's why you need this tool. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.